G02 is a G-code command used in CNC machines to perform a clockwise circular interpolation. G02 format G02 XYZ IJF Parameters 1. XYZ target coordinates 2. IJK circle center coordinates relative to XYZ 3. F. Feed rate, cutting speed. Function 1. Moves the tool in a clockwise direction along a circular path. Used for 1. Cutting circular shapes, example, holes, arcs. 2. Machining curved surfaces. 3. Creating radius. How G02 works. 1. The CNC machine moves to the starting point, XYZ. 2. The tool then moves in a clockwise direction along the circular path. 3. The circle center coordinates, I, J, K, define the radius and orientation. 4. The feed rate, F, controls the cutting speed. G02 example. G02 X10 Y20 I5 J0 F100 1. Move in a clockwise circle with 2. Center at X5 Y20 0 5 relative to X10 Y20 Z5. 3. Radius war 5 4. Feed rate war 100 mpm min. Key considerations. 1. Ensure the tool is properly positioned and oriented. 2. Adjust feed rate and spindle speed for optimal cutting performance. 3. Use G02 with caution, as incorrect parameters can cause tool collisions.